Are you trying to change your YouTube thumbnail, but it keeps hitting that annoying error that says the file is too bigger than 2 megabytes? Basically, your picture is too high quality, too powerful, too big. Well, don't worry. I'm going to show you how to shrink that image in just a second. So here's the problem. You spend all the time making the perfect thumbnail. You save it, you're ready to upload it to YouTube. Boom! Error. The file is too large. Now you've got two options. Option one, lower the image quality, but even then, it's often too big. Option two, the better option, shrink the file size without really losing visibility quality. That's the method I'm going to show you today. What this? I'm going to upload my thumbnail, but first I have to send it to my file. So I'm using Vista Create, as you can see here. So what I did is, YouTube SEO, you have to always make sure your thumbnail to name or file is changed to the title or the keyword that you're trying to rank for. So as you see here, it says AI store fortune review. So I export. When I click on export, select JPEG. All right, it will upload to my file so that I can just go ahead and upload to YouTube. So now that it's on my file, I'm going to place it on my YouTube, a video. So here, then I click on select. This is the thumbnail that we just upload. And this is the message. File is bigger than 2 megabytes. So it's not coming, but you don't have to worry about that, because that's why I said I was going to show you the option 2. So what I do is I go to tinypen.com. As you can see, it's tinypng.com. Then all that I have to do, it's free. You don't have to sign up for anything. As you can see, I haven't been logging. So what I do is I just click here. It says drop image. Once I click on it, I go through my file and pick up the image. So once I select it, it's already here. As you can see, okay, now it's done shrinking it. So what I do is I just click here, download, and it downloads to my file again. So I go ahead and go to my file, which the download section. As you can see, I have two. So this one was the bigger one, which is 3.6 megabytes. So what I do is I delete it. I mean, you don't have to, but for me not to complicate things, I go ahead and just click on delete. And this one, as you can see here, it says review 1. So what I do is I do file name change again. You scroll down, you can see rename, and I take that one I take it away. To do file name change, all that you have to do is you just right click and go down. It says show more. I click on show more, then file name. So once I change it, then I come to YouTube. I come to YouTube, as you can see, click back on it again and select the file and click on open. I'm using Windows, so, and there it is. So now the thumbnail just upload because I reduced the file. It's just that simple. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit subscribe, share, like. Thanks for watching.